Hello everybody, and as you see here, this is Harry. Wow, so beautiful. And do you still remember him, right?
So cute.
And here is the first time we met Harry, and it take like a whole day to find him. And when we receive a call, and that's heartbreaking when you heard the meows like that. But so lucky we found him and we take him to our center. And today I want to tell you the whole story of Harry. And this is the first time he came to our center. The food is the first thing I give for him. And he's so curious about the new house, the paper ball. And you can see how happy he was at the new house. Yeah. And it's the first time he met his sibling again, that is Sammy. They are the breed, the same, with the short tail, so special. I don't know how they can abandon them, or the mother cat. What's happened to the mother? Yeah, they are so happy to play together, to meet each other again. Yeah, look at Harry. yeah. This is so cute.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful moment of Harry and me. Yeah, don't worry, baby. And this is the first part of Harry's life after rescue.
Sammy is waiting for you.
It's not easy to bath kittens, especially the big cat. They don't like the water. You all know that, right? Wow, his body is so dirty. The water is changing the color. It's just dirty like Sammy.
Look at the tail.
We almost done, baby. And look at Harry now. So beautiful, right? Look at his eyes. My goodness. Now he can cleanse by himself. This is the wonderful moment of Harry and Sammy. They are asleep together. This is the first meal Harry will eating with Plucky, Luca, and Sunshine. They are so playful. Sammy and Harry again. Drink some water to get more energy. Harry and Sunshine look like siblings too. Same color. Woo. Come on, let's go, let's go. And do you still remember Fate? The big cat with the long leg. He's the first time he came to our sensor. We have 6 now. And remember that Sammy was adopted. Sunshine too. So we still have Fate, Lucky, Luca, and Harry. But today is the last update for Harry. He got a new home. Wow, I will miss him a lot. Peace. Good night, baby. And here is Harry at the new home. Wow. Goodbye, my baby.